Good morning, y'all. Yesterday, I did something absolutely freaking amazing. I achieved one of my dreams, and I'm gonna show y'all that today. But first, I have to handle something. Yes, sir. We're getting active with the inner circle right now, looking at some trades before I head out. All right, so just finished having the live call that I have every single morning with my inner circle. Now I have to get dressed and I have to run to that dream goal. Well, y'all already know what the heck it is. Y'all seen the title. Let's go. Bro, here we are, man, in my dream freaking house. We just bought it yesterday. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. If y'all know me, y'all know I don't care about cars, clothes, jewelry, none of that foolishness. Not foolishness, because if you like it. But I just personally don't like it. I like houses. Y'all see my Instagram posting these 5 houses 24/7. And the fact that me at 24 years old am able to purchase a dream house that's well over $1 million is absolutely freaking mind-blowing to me. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little tour. I'm not gonna do too much because we don't got no furniture. And if I show y'all the whole house, my wife will kill me without furniture. But it's 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, over 5,000 square feet. This thing is an absolutely freaking gorgeous place. The backyard, if y'all know me, y'all know I'm gonna turn this backyard to, maybe I'll show y'all the backyard, but I'm gonna turn this backyard into something crazy. I ain't gonna lie. We gonna have a pool, basketball court, golf, playground for my daughter, all that stuff. But quick little tour, you just come in here, you know what I'm saying? You got my office right here facing the other houses. And keep in mind, all the other houses in here is freaking fat. Like, these folk got stupid money. I blend right in, right? Nah, but yeah, so I mean, living room, obviously fireplace, master room. Kitchen is absolutely freaking gorgeous. Yeah, this place is like absolutely amazing. I told y'all I'm not gonna give y'all like a whole tour or whatever. I just kind of want to show y'all kind of the vibes so far. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of vibes. But man, this is so crazy. It's so surreal to me. I feel like I've been in the mentality of like delayed gratification for so long, even starting from when I was 16. Just getting started with YouTube videos, just getting started actually getting interested in trading, to now being at the point where obviously I do YouTube, we do real estate, we have all these investments. I trade, I'm teaching people how to trade. It's just, the journey has been like crazy, you know what I'm saying? I've always pushed back me getting myself something super nice. We've had, obviously the place we live in now that we rent, it's a decent place. It's nothing crazy. It's a decent place. It's an okay place, but compared to like what I like as far as my living, where I lay my head, my house, my home, it was not there just yet. It was great. I ain't gonna lie and say it was bad and nothing like that. It was great, but this is on a whole different level. Like this neighborhood that we're in, the house that we have and the houses that's around us are the type of neighborhoods that me and my wife would literally drive around to look at. Like we would literally just go on date nights, just going in the car, typing the nicest neighborhoods in Google and just driving to those neighborhoods just to look at the houses. And it's crazy that we can just walk outside now. That's so, I don't know, man, it's so crazy. We can literally walk outside and we're in the same neighborhoods, looking at the same houses. Our house is the same house that we would look at driving by and be like, damn, that's so fire. One day we go by that. And that day was freaking yesterday. Like, I always knew I'd be able to do something like this, buy a house like this, but I never really imagined, obviously so young, I'm only 24 years old, my wife is 25 years old. We have a daughter that's literally 14 months old. Like, we're super young, super kind of, I don't know, we're just super young. It's crazy though. I didn't not think I would be able to do this, but it also never came to my mind, like, when you're 24, you're gonna buy a freaking fat crib in a super fat neighborhood and be able to do whatever the heck you wanna do. You know what I'm saying? Have freedom, financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom, literally everything. And it's just crazy, I don't know. I just thank God every day realistically, because he's blessed me way beyond I could have ever imagined. There's a scripture that I have tatted on my stomach of the verse that says, to him that is able to do exceedingly and abundantly above all that we could ever ask or think, according to the power that's in us. And that's my favorite scripture to this day. It always has been, just because God has blessed me way more like than I could have even pictured to ask. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not even that I asked God for this. I asked God for this and he's blessed me all the way up here. It's absolutely amazing, man. I don't know. It's an amazing feeling. And just like kind of going back on my journey, I want to set this camera down. Hold on. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, trying to set the camera down was not working out at all. But just like going back on my journey, right? Like, you have to understand, and people kind of look at me like I'm young, or how am I so successful or whatever at such a young age. But you have to understand, I started extremely early. Like, I've been technically in the entrepreneurial space and the self-employment type space since I was like 15 or 16, realistically. I've been trading since I was 17. So I've been doing this for whatever, 8 years. And if you stay consistent with something for 8 years, there's no way you fail at it. I say this all the time, like, people, you can succeed in any industry, right? Dropshipping, trading, freaking landscaping, whatever the heck it is that you want to do, if you just stick to it. It's not about, most people quit within the first 2, 3, 4 months. Like, if you can hold on to something for 2 years, there's no possible way you don't see success in it. And that's kind of what I like to tell a lot of people. And it's crazy just how much of a blessing it has been just to stay consistent with trading overall, because that's obviously one of the things that's changed my life the most. Obviously YouTube, I've done great on YouTube. You guys know I have a whole nother channel that has over 1 million subscribers. I've done great, made good amounts of money, but trading has taken my, obviously, money and my lifestyle to a completely different level. It's allowed for me to, like I say all the time in my videos, you guys have heard me say, print money, right? It gives me that financial freedom, that location freedom, and that time freedom, because I can do it from anywhere at any time in the world, and I can make an unlimited amount of money. And there's so many different aspects of trading. You guys see me talk a lot about the day trading, right? Which is futures, the things that I kind of do on a day-to-day basis. But there's crypto, which is, realistically, I bought this house technically for $1,000 because I made one investment in one cryptocurrency. You guys have seen me talk about the cryptocurrency. I made one investment for $1,000 that turned into, well, for $2,000, I believe. But that turned into over $400,000. So I was able to cover the down payment, the closing costs, all of that based off of $1,000, $2,000 investment, whatever it was, right? So like that kind of thing. Obviously options, that's where I make passive income from. I'm generating literally like $35,000 of passive income every single month from trading options. This is just all aspects of trading itself. So I'm saying all this to say, like, trading has realistically changed my life drastically to be able to let me afford a freaking amazing house like this. Like I said, I'm not gonna give y'all a tour or whatever. My wife will beat me up because we don't got furniture yet. Man, it's just been a crazy journey, and kind of keeping my head down. This is like what I like to tell a lot of people. Like, you start off and you start making money with things. I've been making decent money, and this isn't me trying to flex or nothing like that. Y'all know me, y'all should know me by now. If you're new here, I don't care nothing about nobody's opinion on me or whatever. I don't care about the flashy cars, I don't care about flexing, I don't care about none of that. I'm literally just giving y'all kind of my story just to more so inspire y'all. Like, I've been making decent, like a good amount of money for a long time. I'm talking about, I could have been afforded a house like this probably like 2 years now, right? But I held off and took all that money, put it into cash flowing assets, put it into investments, investing into stocks, investing into crypto that have set me up to feel extremely comfortable buying something like this. Where it's not, I'm not buying this and now it's like now I gotta work to pay for this. Everything else I've invested in, all the times when I've not bought the nice cars, not bought the nice watches, not bought the nice house, you know what I'm saying? All the times I've done that, and that's allowed me to be able to invest in these cash flowing assets, to invest into cryptos, to invest into myself. I've paid literally, last year I think I paid $150,000 worth of courses and tutors, not tutors, but coaches and that kind of thing. So being able to invest in myself has allowed me to be able to buy this house, buy our dream house, literally no stress, because everything else covers it. I've set myself up for, this is completely covered. So I don't have to stress about this house, insurance. I don't have to stress about nothing because I've set myself up. And that's the benefit of delayed gratification. And that's why I kind of like to tell people, when you start making money, that's not when you go buy the Lamborghini. That's when you go buy that Airbnb that cash flows you $2,000. Then buy another Airbnb that cash flows you another $3,000. Now you have 2 cash flowing assets that are paying for your Lamborghini, plus putting money inside your pocket. That's just much easier than you get your first big paycheck. You do your first good year. You make $300,000 in 1 year, your first good year, right? And then you just go buy that Lamb truck, and now you stressing every single month trying to figure out how to pay a $3,500 car note every single month, because you still have to keep working to do it. I tell people all the time, your active money, and this is what I live by, my active money funds my passive income, my passive income funds my lifestyle. So what I mean by that is let's say I make $600,000 in a month, right? I'm not taking that $600,000 and spending that. I'm taking $600,000, investing it into any cash flowing asset. Let's say that $600,000 makes me an additional $12,000 a month. Then I'm taking the money that my assets made, that $12,000 a month, then I'm paying myself. So I didn't make $600,000 a month. I made $12,000 a month, technically. If that helps y'all kind of understand a little bit more. But anyways, I'm saying all that to say, like, find something that you're passionate about or you want to get good at, whether it's day trading or drop shipping or any type of business realistically or skill realistically. Take that, stick with it. That's what most people end up not doing. They end up stopping way too quickly. The lighting got super bad here. They end up stopping way too quickly, not being able to see the results, and they think it doesn't work. For me, that kind of thing was day trading. Obviously, you guys have seen me talk about it. I fully believe in day trading. That's what's allowed me to be able to buy, obviously, this freaking amazing house, our dream house. That's been able to allow for us to do basically everything. But I'm not saying that's the only way. It's my actual way that I think works amazingly, and I think everybody else should try it. I think everybody should at least know how to trade. That's why I have the academy. That's why I have the inner circle. That's why I have the courses and stuff like that. Because I truly think that I'm nobody special. Everybody can freaking trade. Everybody can learn trading if they stick to it. And then they'll be able to do the same thing as this. They'll be able to do even more. There's traders that are obviously making way more money than me. So the sky is really the limit. But I'm saying all this to say, any vehicle that you choose, just stick with it. My vehicle is obviously day trading, but that's why I said like a million times, like, in every aspect of it, it's not just day trading, it's stocks, it's crypto, it's really every aspect of it, because I have the passive income, the active income from it and all that. But yeah, if you haven't tried out day trading, freaking try it out. It's great, it's hard, it's super hard in the beginning, bro. So hard, so stressful, so lonely. But I'm super glad I stuck it out. I'm super glad I stayed consistent with it. I'm super glad because it ultimately all paid off, as you guys can kind of see. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking y'all head off. I really just wanted to share this. As y'all see, I'm super excited. I'm just super grateful. I just thank God every day, because this is crazy. I just wanted to share it with y'all though. But I ain't finna talk y'all head off. If y'all wanna learn how to trade, y'all know I gotta let y'all know if y'all wanna get on game, because like I said, I believe in trading so much. So I think everybody in the world should learn how to trade. If y'all wanna get on game, hit the link inside the description down below. Join my inner circle. Not only will you learn how to trade, you'll get all my courses, you'll also get access to me personal, one-on-one. I'll be able to teach you to trade exactly how I trade every single aspect of trading. You also get every single trade I enter in. So if I enter in the trade and make freaking $10,000, y'all can enter in the same trade. So I'll send it out. Also on my crypto trades, I sent out that same coin that I told y'all helped me buy this, or made me, technically bought this for me, because it went over 200x on our money. I send that out into my inner circle, so everybody else also was able to buy it and make a ridiculous amount of money. I don't know what they did with their money, with their profits. I know what I did. But if you want all that, we have other coaches in there. Obviously, hit the link inside the description down below. The inner circle is always packed out. But for this video, I'll open up a bunch more spots, because I know a lot of people want to join it. So I'll open up a bunch more spots. But click the link inside the description down below to kind of secure it as fast as possible, because if you wait, it will get filled up. It always gets filled up. Y'all know, y'all in the comment section every single time, y'all see, how's it filled up already? It just gets filled up super fast. I don't know. So click the link inside the description down below. But if y'all enjoyed this video and y'all want to get started on learning how to day trade, watch this video right here. I broke down exactly how to draw the correct support and resistance zones. So watch that right there. I'll see y'all there. God bless, man.